In this video, we are going to draw and color some stars. We will draw our first star. You're watching Drawing for Kids, video for kids. This is a step-by-step for kids drawing and coloring, and we are drawing and coloring stars. Step-by-step kids drawings. We'll draw a few more stars and then we will color our stars with some fun colors. We can do 2 more stars. Let's draw 2 more stars. Then we will add some fun colors to our stars. 1 more star. So we have how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. Now let's add some color to our stars. We'll make them very colorful. And you can choose whatever color you want to use to color your stars. You don't have to use the same exact color which I'm using, but you want to make your stars very colorful. This is like a peach color which I'm using to color this star. It's a beautiful color. Now I will use, I think I need a yellow color. Let's use a yellow color on this star. This is like a lemon yellow color. Beautiful color. Then we'll need another blue color. Let's use a blue color. Our next color, we could use like a purple color. You're watching Drawing for Kids, video for kids, and we are drawing and coloring stars. We will use a sky blue color for our next star. I hope you're enjoying this episode of Kids Drawings. These are step-by-step drawing for kids. Kids drawing and coloring. And we have final star, and we're going to be using a light green color. And here you have it, guys. We have drawn and we have colored our stars. Those are some beautiful looking stars. There you have it, guys. We have drawn our stars and we have colored our stars. If you had followed along and drawn your stars and colored your stars, leave the link to that video below this video so I can go and check it out. Until next time, stay safe. Please subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step for kids drawing, coloring, and painting. New Drawing for Kids, video for kids are uploaded daily. Thank you so much for your support.